Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about mechanical design engineer interview questions and answers. Before going to start this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. First question is, what is process flow diagram? And the answer is, a process flow diagram is a sketch which describes major equipment, plant streams, and key control loops. It shows the relationship between system and components. The diagram contains symbols to identify instruments and vessels. It describes the primary flow course. Second question is, what is GD&T? The answer is, GD&T stands for Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerance, and it is a system which defines engineering tolerances. Third question is, explain torque. The answer is, a force that causes rotation is called torque. It is a measure of how much force is required to rotate an object. Fourth question is, what do you understand by heat treatment? The answer is, it is an operation that involves heating and cooling process of metals to change its properties. Example, quenching, hardening and annealing. Fifth question is, what is the second law of thermodynamics? The answer is, the total entropy of an isolated system can never reduce over time. Sixth question is, what is the importance of tolerance in engineering? The answer is, you cannot design any product without tolerance. It decreases the chances of rejection and overall product cost. You utilize tolerance in part dimension to reduce cost and facilitate manufacturer. Seventh question is, what is Otto cycle? Otto cycle describes the functioning of a typical spark ignition 4-stroke engine. Otto cycle is description of what happens to gas as it is subjected to changes of volume, temperature, addition or removal of heat. Eighth question is, what is enthalpy? The answer is, enthalpy is the heat content of a thermodynamic system. Ninth question is, what are the different types of fits? The answer is, clearance fit, interference fit and transition fit. The first one is clearance fit. This fit is identified by the occurrence of clearance between two similar parts. Second one is interference fit. In this fit, the size of the mating parts is predefined to occur interference between these parts. Here the whole tolerance zone is completely below shaft tolerance zone. Third one is transition fit. It is a combination between clearance and interference fit. In this case of fit, tolerance zone of the shaft and hole overlaps. 10th question is, what is universal coupling? The answer is, universal coupling is used to connect two shafts whose axes are inclined to each other. It consists of a pair of hinges connected by a crash shaft. 11th question is, what do you understand by engineering drawing? The answer is, it is a technical document used to transfer technical details and define requirements. 12th question is, what is knurling? The answer is, it is a manufacturing process conducted on a lathe tool to create a pattern on a bar that can be used as a handle. 13th question is, various types of brakes. The answer is, hydraulic brakes. Second one is electric brakes and the final one is mechanical brakes. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. and please subscribe to Mech Episode.